We use present continuous when we talk about something happening now or at the moment. The structure of present continuous is subject plus is or are or am plus verb plus ing plus object. For example, he is playing football. There are some clues to know if the sentence is in the present continuous, like now, at the moment, this week, look, listen, nowadays, currently, at present. Here are some examples that he is playing football now.
Look, it is raining.
They are learning English. At the moment. It is important to know that we don't add ing to verbs about status like believe, like, and know. There are 3 ways to add ing to verbs. If the verb ends with e, we drop or delete the e. For example, change, move into moving, and live into living. The second way is if the verb ends with a vowel and a consonant, we double the consonant. But before we go through some examples, we should know the vowels. You will always remember vowels while seeing this face, which includes o, e, a, I, and u. The examples are sit will be sitting and begin will be beginning. The third way is any verb without ending with e or a vowel and a consonant, we just add ing. For example, play playing and cook cooking. We add not to the sentence, so we start the sentence with subject plus is not or are not plus verb with ing plus object. For example, he is not playing football. She is not reading a book. They are not doing their homework. We start yes no questions with is or are, so the structure is or are plus subject plus verb with ing plus object. For example, is he playing football now? If the answer is yes, we will write yes, he is. If the answer is no, we will write no, he is not. Another example is, are they doing their homework? If the answer is yes, we will write yes, they are. If the answer is no, we will write no, they are not. WH questions are easy. We just add WH word before the yes-no question. So we start the question with WH word plus is or are plus subject plus verb with ing plus object. For example, what is he doing? When are they leaving? How much are you paying for the clothes?